Why everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Neverness to Everness, NTE, from your PC, including all its components. Let's get started. First, open the NTE launcher. Go to Settings, click on Resources. Now click on Open Game Directory. Once the folder opens, open the Neverness to Everness folder. Important step. Before uninstalling, make sure you close the launcher completely. If the launcher is still open, you won't be able to uninstall the game. Now inside the folder, find the file called Uninst or Uninstall file. Double-click it. Click Yes when prompted. Now click on Uninstall. Click Confirm to continue. Wait for the process to complete. Final step. Once the uninstall is finished, click Confirm again. That's it. Neverness to Everness has been completely removed from your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.